guys, in today's video we are going to see about how to create a partner portal and how to enable users also. Okay, we will see that. And let's go to all sites. I have navigated by from the setup. We have to type all sites, so we'll be landing here. Click on new. Okay, in this video I will just use the templates which already we have, and in the coming videos, like one existing template for partner, one existing template for customer, and then let's go to build your own LWR site. This is the most common site everyone will use because we have so much of customization in this. So in that we have to build everything, navigation and all the things with the code only, so that we will see in detail, like every use case I will explain you in that. So now let's go to this and then choose this for partner. See, we have only limited templates, right? So we need so many. So let's just like I'll tell you what's the basic one, and let's e library, I will say it as this. Okay, now for your domain, whatever the domain you have, it will create the site only. Okay, it will add this name. The name of your site will be this one, e-library. Okay, now let's get started. You have to click that create and it will take few minutes. Let's wait for that. So in this since we have limited functionalities, like we can play a lot with the content management here, like we can use the CMS a lot in these templates, already existing templates, that is Aura templates. But we don't have that much, like we can make the customization also, but when we go for build your own LWR or build your own Aura site, that will be very full-fledged because we cannot remove these existing templates, no, that's why. So we will have this is a workspace, so builder, moderation, content management, all these are there. So we will deal with builder, administration, content management mainly. Okay, now let's click on builder and let's also click on administration. Now when you go to the administration, in the settings you will have a status activate. Now our site is not activated, it's just we have just created. In order to make sure that this site or portal is available to the people, we have to activate this. Okay, that we will do after setting up everything. Okay, now first let's go to the experience builder. This is the template we have chosen, right? So skip this. Now this is the navigation menu. So these navigation menu is already given by the Salesforce only, so you don't have to write code for this. But what I was saying is LWR sites, that will be a blank, the whole this all these things will not be there, so you have to create everything from scratch there. So that is how these are the basic templates, like we can make use of this and we can add our own components, everything in this also. But if you want your own style of navigation and you want some fast, you want to render your sites very fastly, then you have to go for LWR sites. Now if you click on this navigation menu, you can edit the navigation. See, now whatever we have the options, we have home, and next we have sales. For sales we have lead and details, sorry, deals as sub menus, I would say. And then marketing is another label. For these two it has. Okay, now see, if you, in order to, like, you have to, what you have to do is first click on preview. Okay, now you can preview it like this. See, these are the sub menus, these are four mains, and you can just, like, it's a preview of your site, like how it looks to the real users, everything you can see it here. This everything, we haven't done anything, it's by the Salesforce only template, and it will show the user who is logged in. Now I have logged in, my username is this one, so this, and I can log out, I can go to my profile, home, everything I can do. And if you want to see as some authenticated user. That means if a really in our org if user exists, how this will view for them, then you can click there authenticated user and you can check as them also. And then you can also see as a guest user. But why this option is disabled now is because we haven't allowed our site to view publicly. Okay, we have to make that. First let's go one by one. Now back, you can edit anything only in the builder, so go to builder only. Now I will add one navigation menu. So you have to go add one menu item, let's say books. Okay, now event, I will say it as a external URL. Means it, when you click on that it will navigate to some external URL. If you click on global action, it's like whatever in the Salesforce you have global action, that will be invoked here. Menu label means if you see sales marketing, these are just labels, they won't do anything. If you click on sales, what happens, it will show the drop downs. In that case we have to use menu label. Navigational topic is, we have topics in the Salesforce, right? So in order to use that we will use navigational topic. Salesforce object means when we want our users, for example if they click books, we want to navigate or we want to show them the accounts list view, then we can use the Salesforce object. Then site page, so in the site, this is site, right? So we can create our custom pages also. Then we have to choose this, click on this site page. In the pages we will have the list of pages. Like if you create a new page, you should uh, select that page. Okay, for example if I choose flow, you have to give the flow name. Or else if you choose page name as related record list, so which related record list you want to give, so that one. So publicly available means I said, right, without see in the Amazon also, without logging in you can actually see the whole products also. But when you want to purchase, only then you need account, right? So here also, if you want your users to see the website completely, then you have to make it as this page as publicly available. Overall the site also should be made as publicly available. Okay, these are the different types. And if you system link, so when you want to click that, you should go to the builder or workspace, or you have to go to setup of the Salesforce setup. That's one. So you can explore all these options. Now I have added books, right? I will put it as site page. Here I will put it as mm, let's go with case list. Again we have to give the name. Okay, so let's not go there, let's put it as error. Okay, that means when you're when something went wrong, when users are doing something, and when something goes wrong, how you will say them, something went wrong, please try again later, like that. So that error page. Okay, now save menu, it will immediately reflect here. Now if you want to check, now if I click this, it should go to the error page. See, it went because I gave error there, that's why. Go to back to the builder, and if you want to see what all pages you have, click on this is page structure. Okay, in this page we have header, template header, global search box, so all this will be listed. This is for page. If you click here, you will get all the pages in your site. You have account management, so if you click on that, you will be going to the account management page. If you want to if you click contact support, you will go to the contact support page. These are all pages. You can actually create so many menu items, and you can keep the navigation for this page, that page. And if you want to create a custom page, so you have to go to the bottom, click on the same, click on here, go to the bottom, new page. You want standard page or object page. Object pages are nothing but Salesforce object page. Okay, standard, click, and then new blank page. You can choose the layout also, that's your wish. You want any of this layout, you can choose, or if you want your own layouts also, you can create that. But that we will see in the LWR site. So if I click flexible and then next, you let's say this page as custom page. Okay, so URL will be this, create. Okay, now for example, what you can do is in this page you want to add your complete site success stories. So you can create one LWC component and you can add that LWC, like you have to go to the components and then you can see your LWC components here and then you can add that here. Okay, this is how you can customize your site. Okay, this is very easy when compared to like just for this navigation only you have to write so much of code. And this global search box, so for example, now if you search for leads, opportunities, campaigns, you can see let's add account also. So click on add, click on this. Now you will see so many options, select accounts and then save it. Okay, now it is saved. Close this, go to preview. You can search for any existing account. Okay, let's see what accounts we have. I don't think we have an account. Let's create one account. All accounts. Okay, we have. Let's search for this. Okay, so here is our site. We are in builder, so let's search for that. I will remove this. Okay, now it will show the account because we have added opportunities already there, so it is showing that also. This is a global search. This is how you can also, if you don't want, you can remove these options also. Okay, now go back to builder again, uh, then choose this. If you don't want this, you can just click on it and then like I think we cannot remove this because it is already given by the template. And this we can change the layout, like label, if you want to change you can change, log out and log in, everything you can do. If you don't want log in and log out, you can just remove this, make it as empty label so that user won't be able to see anything. Remove. And then now most important thing what I was saying is how you will actually go to your site. What is your URL of the site? Now I'm creating the site, everything is fine. Okay, now click on settings. Now if you see here, public access, guest users can see and interact with the site without logging in. If you check this option, even though user does not exist, they can still see your website. Okay, if they like, they will register. Okay, for that. And I said right, for this site like means, now here we have an option guest user. Guest user means who don't actually have login in our portal but they still try to interact with our website. So for them we have to give certain permissions when we actually, this is all the basic thing, right? So if I, for example, I wanted to add some functionality which is LWC component or a Visualforce page, so we have to give those Visualforce page and Apex classes, whatever we have for that, all those should be added to this profile. The only way you can access the guest profile is from here. Okay, when you click here, then it will open that profile. Okay, the only way you can access this is this way. But if you go to profiles and then check e-library, right? See, we can't access that. The only way is from here. Okay, and next theme. Okay, this is the theme which we are using. If you want to change, we can change. And languages is what the default site language, all this. Navigation is we can click from here and we can edit from here, or we can go to settings, navigation and then edit. Okay, and also we can have as many navigation menus and we can make sure that okay, this is for this kind of users and this some other navigation is for some other kind of users, like that. And this is regarding the mobile, so how it looks in the mobile, all those customization can be done here. So next, SEO, and this is search engine optimization. So this is to like how external services will be discarded from our site. And then CMS content, so I said right, in the Salesforce we have CMS, so whatever the content we have stored there we can use it here. advanced. So in the advanced, this is Google Analytics, like how many people are visiting our website. So to track all those, we can use the Google Analytics also. And then head markup. Why we use this is we can style. Okay, for example, in your site you did not like this navigation color, you wanted to have some blue color or like that, then what you do, just go to preview once. I'm showing everything in the preview because we have not activated the site. Once we activate, we have to actually navigate to the site. Okay, now go to inspect. So in the inspect you will have the navigation class, right? This one, force community. Now here color is this. If I want to have color as yellow, now it is yellow. Now what I will do is I will take the class of this complete navigation. I will come to this advanced edit markup, and then I will add style tags, and then I will add that class and the style whatever I want. This also we will see when we actually start creating a website. Okay, and we can also do here, and we have one more place we will do there also. For Aura sites we have to do in the edit CSS. For normal LWR sites we have to do here only. Okay, so just go to here, theme, this is theme, click on this drop down, here edit CSS is there, right? So for the Aura sites we have to write the styling here. If we have to write this style, okay, and then you have to give your CSS like this here, so that will be applied. Okay, this is the CSS how you have to give. Once you click save, it will be reflecting here. Okay, now I haven't saved anything, this is from the inspect, I did not refresh, so it is still there. And you can also change the colors, like what if there are any actions in our site and what the color should be. You can choose anything, yellow. So all these are actions, so it has changed now, like based on the color intensity also the template is changing. Okay, what was the earlier color? I think this. Okay, whatever. So you can change the color like that, and then you have so many things, navigation color, login pages, what the error text, everything is customized. And if you want font, okay, how you can use the custom font, you can also use custom font. For that you have to upload your font in the static resources, and you have to add some style tags for that. How to so for that you should go to edit CSS again, and you have to add the style there, and then you have to use the custom font. All those we will see in later videos. And then theme settings, so how your global search box want to be, like that, everything, what is the width, all those things you can check it here. Now let's go to preview. Okay, now when you are done with the site, okay, when you are done with the site, that means you have created all the components, you have added everything. Just what you have to do is you have to come here, you have to click publish app option is there, right? Publish. Now your changes are published, that means your changes are in the site, but still we have not activated our site. Okay, when once you have published, you will receive email. Okay, you will receive email once you have published successfully. It will take some time, but you will receive the mail. Now go to settings. Okay, we have discussed all this. Now let's go to the administration. I think we have already opened here. Yeah, see, site published successfully. Okay, now if I activate, okay, before that let's go to all sites once. All sites. Okay, this is the URL of your site, but if you go now, you are able to see, because why, you are logged in, that's why. If I open this in the incognito, it is showing it as login, and you cannot see anything, just welcome. And then uh, let me just oh, what is this? Okay, let me bring this here. Okay, you cannot see anything here, just home. Okay, you cannot see anything. Okay, now I will go to administration. Now I'll activate. I made it publicly available, so you are able to see. So you have to make it activate so that it will be available for everyone. That is one thing. And once you have activated and once you have published, still you can make changes to the community as well. Unless you publish, no other user will be able to see. So you can do the work in your org and then you can publish anytime. Now let's see preferences. So these are all the options, kind of options. Like when you get use cases, then we have to go through these options in detail. Members. So what is this members? This is the main thing which I was telling you from the past two videos. Licenses. So licenses means now this is a partner portal, right? So we have to use the partner licenses. So select, go to partner, which license you want. Okay, so we have 4 licenses for the partner, so each license will have some extra what do you say, functionalities. So let's use partner community login user. Okay, I have added that. So whenever you enable any contact as a user, they will be created with this. Okay, I've added and then I click save. Okay, we have saved. Contributors. So if you want to make sure that this site is accessible to your team, like in your team there are 5 members and every one of you are working on the same site, and you are managing the content and some other is managing the layout or theme, so you can add them as a contributors. And then login and registration. So Salesforce also provides the default login and registration Apex classes. You don't have to write a single line of code also. And these are logos, so how your site logo should be there, so you can upload that, and colors, everything, login button color, all those. So now login page setup, experience builder page only, we already have login which is given by the Salesforce by default, so you can. And then allow employees to log in directly, so you can check this so that they will be able to log in directly. But if you want to make sure that self registration, that means they can come to your website, and if they like your website or if they want to use your website, they should register, right? So for that you should click on this, and then it will automatically show up the register page. And then profile, if user is created from the website, then which license they should be given. So partner community, whatever you have added in the members, that will be shown automatically. Account, if you want to make sure that all your users want under a single account only, then you can choose account, or else you don't have to choose. And then these are some kind of passwordless methods, so we are not discussing that right now. So I have saved default cell, go to setup, allow user to, okay, before using this we have to go here, setup, digital experiences, settings, and then settings, or where is digital experience? Okay, digital experience settings. So here we will have enable, okay, allow users profiles for self registration, users creation and login. You have to check this, so only then they will be able to log in, because we are allowing them standard external profiles. These are the external people, right? That's why we have to check that, so that they will be able to register themselves. Okay, now I have to click save. So we will have so many things to explore in these sites. Now I can save this. So yes, I think successfully saved. Now let's go to email. Now for example, you have registered, okay, on website, our website. So you went to that website and you have registered. Now as soon as you register, there should be something like, okay, you have registered successfully. So generally when we register for the websites, we will get successful, I mean welcome emails like welcome to the e-library, or welcome to Amazon, welcome to Misho, like that, right? So you can send the welcome email, and you can select the template also. We will have the templates in Salesforce, right? So you can use the existing templates, or if you want to send your own personal template, like you want to design a email template with the nice header, footer, and then customized view or UI, then you can choose your own templates also. And these are forgot password, change password, all these are the options, and then click save. You want to send welcome email, yes. And then pages, how you want to use, like uh, default page, what will be the default page, okay. And now our site is ready. Let's publish this. There are no changes, okay. Since those changes are already done, it is not showing up any changes. Let's refresh. Okay, now they can come here, they can click on login. Now they will give the username, but they don't really have the username, right? So not a member, so they will come here, they will register themselves and then click on sign up. Okay, this is how they will register. Now let's create from the Salesforce first. Go to account. Now I will add this enable as partner, okay, first one, and then save, and go to contact. We are using the customer, right? So we have to contact, and then page layout, contact layout, and then mobile and lightning actions, enable as partner user. So let's add this and save it. Now let's really go very quick. Accounts, let's create a new account. Let's give Jonathan, okay, account name as that, and we don't really want these details, so let's just give sample. Okay, I'm saving this. Now I will create a contact for this. Let's create a new contact from here only. Last name I will give this. First name I'll give as no need. Okay, account name, it is already linked. Now salutation, all those not needed, and then email I'll give it as I will give this email only because we will be needing this email, right, in order to check welcome email, all those. So let's give this email only. Where is it? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, and let's give phone as 98706, something like that. Okay, save it. Now this is saved, contact is created. Now I will enable this account as partner. Yes, I am enabling. Now I will go to this contact, enable partner user. When you click on that, it will redirect, I said that it will redirect to the user. It will automatically populate all the values. See, it has populated. And see, profile, if you observe what profile we have chosen here, we have chosen partner community, so that will be added here, partner community login. Okay, partner community login user, we have to go, and then we can choose that profile only. It will show the partner logins only, so you can just go here and then click on this login user. And if you want any if you want to give any extra things, or or any extra knowledge user marketing, you can give them and then click on save. So now user portal account, okay, I haven't given any role. Return. Okay, why the error is because I'm creating the user, right? For that, for me, I don't have any role, so we need one role in order to create the users. I haven't checked that, I think. Okay, so I think the roles are not set up in this org. Let's give it as CEO and then save. Now I can create user. Okay, now it's there. Okay, I gave role and save it. It should create now. Okay, now the user is created. This is the email, so we might have received welcome email. See, your Salesforce, hello Learn Unlimited, we finished updating membership. Sorry, this is not welcome email. Spam. Okay, so we got it. Now if we click Easy Learner 786, I think this is my user. And what is the username here? It is also the same. Okay, this is Learn Easy. This is my user, which I am using, System Administrator Learn Easy, and this is Easy Learner. So if you check our welcome emails, we got Easy Learner 786. Okay, so this is a new user which I have created. So we will get the mails. Okay, mostly sometimes they'll be going to the spam, so you can just check your spam folder also. And when you come back to the experience builder, and then these are some things you can like change it to welcome, something like that. And now I will use these and then log into the portal actually. Okay, first we have to reset our password. This is not the one, inbox. Okay, this one. So to get started, click on this. Now it will ask you to reset the password. I'll set my password. So 3. I've changed it. So next time when my usernames are pretty confusing, so this is Easy Learner 786. My actual user is Learn Easy. So I have logged in successfully. If I click log out, I'll be logged out. Now when I want to log in as that new portal user, I can actually go to this site. Now I will click on here. I think it will be showing me as logged in user. So let's see. So click on login and then you can give your new created user. So it is, the new user is this one. It's a partner. You can check the user license, and if you observe, I said contact ID field, right? Contact, see, this is a contact. They see it is automatically linked. And go here, click on this and type your password. And then click on login. I'll click never. So I've logged in. So this is how the whole site works, and you can create so many websites very easily in just few clicks. Okay, you can add your components, you can just do everything very easily. Now when I actually go here and check this site, I can see login is required. Okay, I have logged out, so that is why it is showing that way. I have logged into the other user, no, that's why. So when I go to this site which we created, when we see there, we can see many options like the page load. Okay, these Aura sites are very slow. Okay, now this is the new portal user. They can only see few lead, inbox, news updates, nothing they can see really. Why? Because they don't have the access. But what exactly we have here? These many things. We have these many, because the portal user don't have access to the leads. So we have to go to that portal user profile. That is what I think we have used partner community login user. You have to go to that profile, and then you have to give the to that profiles, and then you have to go to that portal profile community, I think partner community login user. You have to give the permission as least. I have been logged out of my session. So you have to give the permission read access at least, and then you have to give the dashboards also access. So only you have to give opportunities. So then they will be able to see. Now they don't have the access, so they are not able to see. They can just see the few things. Okay, this is how you have to use the partner site, and this is a basic example. And similarly we have to create a customer community also. The only difference is the layout or theme which you use, and then license which you use. This is with the general account. Okay, I showed you with the general account. Let's also see with the person account next time. Okay.